you to our amazing team who's dealing with these technical difficulties, working so hard for us right now. Thank you so much. And thank you for your patience. We really appreciate you. Okay, we're back. Shall we continue? Let's do it. Shall we go for it? Thank you, Fiona. Thank you, Luna. Did you hear any of that? Sing. Wake up in my bed, thinking in my head. Mother, never let it see me. Better session I want. Ride to the sleep.